Hello students, so today now we will start our story The Tunnel. Yesterday I told you that Ankush is actually our protagonist of the story, and he was actually having a journey in the train, and his train is out right now stopping at a railway station which was quite busy as usual. The word bustling, the meaning of the word bustling is actually giving here full of busy activity. So actually the railway platform was quite busy. Now we will read further how the things are happening from here on. So students, actually he refused to look anywhere else. And who is he here? This story has been described to you in third person, student. He is actually our protagonist, whose name is Ankush. So now he refused to look anywhere else. He was not going to talk to mommy or papa or anybody. So from this we are getting to know that Ankush, for some reason, he is annoyed. He is cross with himself or with his parents. What is the reason behind that? We would get to know as we would read ahead in the story. And he was not going to cry also, as he was a strong child. He would not cry in these sort of small kids generally start crying in these sort of situations, but Ankush was not like that. He was a strong boy. He was surely not going to cry. Mummy was on the seat next to him, trying to make him talk in the way he tried to make her talk sometimes. So now actually Ankush is not traveling alone in the train. Where Ankush is sitting, just in front of the Ankush, his mama is also sitting, and she is trying to make him talk, as Ankush was totally silent and he is not speaking anything. So Ankush mama, who is just sitting to the next seat, who is just sitting to the seat next to him, is trying to make him talk in the way. She actually tried her talk sometimes on the way, and it was as if they had changed places for once. And there was Papa saying, "Do you want a bat, Anku, or what a pistol?" So actually, for many time in the bogie inside the coach, they all just tried to change the places also, the seats also. Sometimes they ask Ankush to sit here somehow they just tried, even though in these things also he would talk or he would speak something. And then Papa is also trying to make him talk. Papa is also trying to make him happy, and actually so for that he is what he is asking. He is asking that, "Anku, do you want a bat or a water pistol?" That's what he is asking to Anku. You all know that for convincing a child, generally we sometimes ask these things. Baby, do you need toy, this toy, that one, just like that. Ankush Papa was also trying to actually persuade him, but Ankush was not a typical boy. I don't think so that he would listen to these things. But just then what happens? A toy seller appeared near the window, and suddenly there were lots of colors around Ankush's face. So actually, but suddenly at that point of time, a toy seller actually appeared near the window of the train, as train was right now just holding on a railway platform. So a toy seller actually appeared on the window, and suddenly all around the Ankush face there was different color of toys, pink color, green color, blue color toys, all sort of toys just starting to bobble here and there. Bobble means move here and there, moving up and down quickly and gently. So all sort of toys, this is the way of selling for a seller. He always try to attract the kids or other generally kids, because a toy seller, toy is a thing that attracts the children. So but on the toy seller's cart, Ankush looked away again. But he actually didn't look on the toy seller's cart. He just looked away. He just looked somewhere else. He was not interested at all. He was totally not interested in all the things which are happening around him. So actually, students, we are getting to know that because of some reason, something has happened, and that is why Ankush is annoyed. Ankush is cross with his parents or with his whatever happened. We will get to know as we read the story. We will get to know about everything.